Good evening, everybody. A little chilly out there across southern New England right now. You see the temperatures mostly everywhere into the 40s and in some cases already in the low 40s. Check out New Bedford, only 43 degrees right now. The winds lightened up. It was breezy at times today, only about 5 miles an hour out of the west right now. They should pick back up again tomorrow to similar levels. Again, that's kind of what we've been saying here. A very similar day coming up tomorrow. Wash, rinse, repeat. Then far from it as we head into Thursday and Friday, well above normal temperatures, and they'll stay there into the weekend. But let's ride the roller coaster of spring down to below average levels for a good chunk of next week, and I'll explain why. So first, we've got this stubborn low. It's been kind of just pinwheeling those clouds in, and it's pinwheeling showers across the area tonight. That will eventually pull away. It leaves us with some more cloudy intervals tomorrow, but mostly a nice day and certainly a dry day here across southern New England with that similar wind and temperature profile. Now, something else happens. We get clouds coming back in, kind of a similar scenario, waking up to one thing and then having another thing by the afternoon, but it's a different weather feature this time on Thursday. Warm front starts to nose in from the west, and this little finger of moisture, there actually may be a little wave of low pressure that tries to develop along this. I'm going to zoom in here in a second to show you that. But high pressure mostly in control, and then that warm front lifts north and allows this warmer surge of air to work on in, and that gives us our warm end to the week. You saw the storm system incoming from the west. We'll time that out in a second, but behind that, once again, is where that chillier air lies for next week. So here we are, Thursday, 2 a.m. You're going to see the clouds move in. Check this out. So across central Mass, down through central Connecticut, a rain or a snow shower possible. Very light stuff and quick moving in. Maybe, again, we mentioned this possibility earlier. There could be a sprinkler or two that survive 5, 6 a.m. Thursday morning. Look at how quickly the clouds get out of here. By 8, 9 o'clock, we're in full sunshine. Those temperatures rising from the 40s to the 50s and into the 60s by the afternoon, and it doesn't stop there. Here's my pick of the week, folks. I've decided, I couldn't decide before I had Thursday, Friday. I'm just going to go with Friday at this point. I think it's a real terrific day with sunshine and some high cirrus clouds. 70 for your high temperature. Now, looking at the weekend, a split decision. We'll be staying pretty mild, 70s inland, 60s at the coast for Saturday. And then Sunday, it's cooler for everybody. And unfortunately, we're tracking rain moving in with that next system. Here it comes. There could be a few drops Saturday night. I think mostly if you have any Saturday evening plans, unless you're a real night owl, you may not see any precipitation until the day on Sunday. There's a slow-moving front that comes through. It's got some heavy rain. It may have some thunderstorms with it as well. Again, it's going to shoot the temperatures down behind this. We'll hope to get a nice little soaking rain out of it. We could certainly use it with that rainfall deficit here across southern New England. I think the lawns will be pretty thankful for it. And then we should begin to clear things out on Monday. Again, wash, rinse, repeat. Tomorrow, temperatures mid-upper 50s, winds west 10 to 15, sunny intervals, cloudy intervals throughout the day. And here's southeast Mass again, temperatures more of the same. Your 7-day forecast is a mostly dry one. Again, no rain until we get to Sunday. Your Earth Day on Saturday looks like a pretty nice one. Clouds increasing, high of 70 degrees. Look at the cooler air that begins to come in, though, as Monday's rain showers depart. We'll be at 60 and then only 57 on Tuesday. It looks like we are stuck, in the mid-50s for the better part of the middle of next week.